lovely, gorgeous friends. It's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you so much for watching. And if this is your first time catching my face here on YouTube, my name is Odette. Welcome. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for watching today. Please watch to the end. Thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification. You will be notified every time I upload a video. My YouTube channel is all about skincare. It's taken a little bit of a twist. It's all about skincare because for so many years I've struggled with my skin, breakouts, oily skin problems and all of that, and I've learned how to take care of my skin, products to use and all of that. And that's what I'm sharing with you guys on sassyover55.com. Great tips on that website. The loyalty and giveaway is still on until December the 16th. Please check it out. And we're just going to get into the video today. And the title says Makeup and Mist, yes. So I'm going to show you guys how I created this very simple makeup look on clean skin. But I also want to share with you guys some of my favorite facial mist that I love to use, because I think facial mists are a huge part of your skincare journey, because I know sometimes, although I do have oily skin, I might be sitting in my office and my skin feels really dry, and I like to use my mist sometimes just to give my face a little bit of hydration so my face can feel plumped and back to life. And I've shown you guys this one before from Osea. This is a sea mineral mist. Love this one, and it's really easy to use. Of course it's easy to use. A little pump and it's a lovely mist on your skin, just a couple of pumps, and your skin will feel refreshed. This is the one from Pixi, and I love this one as well. As you can see, I have been using it. You can also use this one as a setting spray, but you can also use this one as a setting mist as well to give you a little bit of illumination, and of course with the same results as the Osea, just to give your face just a little bit of beautiful hydration. And this one here, I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. This is called Filter Out, and this really helps to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays, from all of those harmful aggressors that's in the atmosphere. And this is also a very good one as well, and just a little spritz, and that's all you need. And you can see it's very light. So you're sitting in your office, you're at home, and you feel a little dry, just a little spritz, and you'll be good to go. Love that. One of my favorites is from Caudalie, and this is the grape water. And there was something about this one that's just refreshing, and it almost feel like, you know, when you're at the beach and you just come out from the water, that freshness on your skin. This grape water is just so amazing. Absolutely love it. Again, with the same idea, plumpness, hydration, and keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. And also this one here is called the Mannakadar, I think it is, and this came in a BoxyCharm box twice, and this is the second bottle I have been using. This is also a super amazing face mist as well, and again just a little bit of a spritz. And this one smells beautiful. These are all featured on sassyover55.com. You guys are going to see them on the website. They are beautiful, and they are highly recommended for you guys. You please check it out. And so in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how I came up with this very simple makeup look. Again, my skin is already cleared up, and I am basically in the maintenance phase of my skincare journey. I don't have to use a particular product to get rid of a pimple or a blackhead or something like that. It's completely cleared up. My skin is not perfect, but I really do love the way my skin looks. I mean, of course, you guys see my skin without makeup several times, and every time I'm talking about a skincare product, I always want to be on camera without makeup so you guys can see my skin. And so all of these facial mists I will list in the description box for you guys. And of course, if you do have a facial mist that works for you, that's totally fine, as long as you're getting the great results, the right results, and it's targeting the right areas of your skin. Perfect. Okay, so just stay tuned. You guys are going to see how I came up with this makeup look, and I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and stay tuned for more videos coming up. And don't forget to check out sassyover55.com. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Please enjoy. Bye. Okay, my lovelies, here is the finished look of the makeup today. Very easy, very simple. And I went in with my highlight. I'm not quite sure if the highlight is too much, but whenever I'm doing a highlight on my face, I don't like it to be too strong. And I mean, this looks okay. And if I'm not comfortable with it, and of course I can just go in with a powder and tone that down a little bit. But I think this looks really good. I don't want to disturb my my blush on my cheeks, but this looks really good. And of course, just a little teardrop sponge, and I just tap that out, and that looks really, really cute. Love that. And I'm not quite sure if I showed you guys this before, but I do have a new foundation, and this is the one from LA Girl. I'm going to leave the shade of this in the description box for you guys. It's a little bit lighter, but then I went in with my NC 47 powder just to bring some color back into my skin. But I really love the way this has turned out. Really easy, really simple. I don't make a big fuss with my makeup. You guys know that already. And I'm really enjoying, you know, the way my skin is looking, the way my makeup looks. I'm really, really loving myself and be proud of my skin. I am so excited. That's why I am so happy to share my skincare journey with you guys on sassyover55.com. It's an amazing website. And there we be. So what do you guys think of this look? Let me know your thoughts in the description box below. And I thank you guys so much for watching. We're just going to leave it here for today. I will come back with more videos for you guys, not to worry. Okay. So my name is Odette. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe and share. And also don't forget the giveaway that's on sassyover55.com. Thank you for watching, and toodles.